Hello children, good morning. Have you taken your breakfast? Yes. Acha, what you have taken today? Oh, you have taken fruits. Now, what are the different fruits you have taken? You tell me the names. Grapes, apples, mango. Okay. Very good children. So, I have also eaten some new things. You see what I have written. Do you know this is a root? So, what is this root called? What is this root called? Carrot. This root is called carrot. Do you like it? Yes. Okay. Then you see, this is a stem. Do you know what is this stem called? Sugarcane. Sugarcane. And do you like to eat this raw? Do you like it to raw? Okay. This root is called, this stem is eaten raw. And see children, this is one leaf. What is the color of the leaf? Green. Color of the leaf is green. And this leaf is the lettuce. Lettuce, the leaf of the lettuce. And here another things you see, and Prapti, you have eaten this fruit. What is this? Apple. Do you like it cooked? If it will be cooked, do you like it to eat? No. You like to eat it raw. So, do you know children, all around us there are so many types of plants are there. Yes or no? So, today we are going to read about these plants. So, your topic name is So, there are different types of plants. You have eaten grapes, and plants are divided are different groups, categories. What are the different categories of plants? So, first category is called the tree, and second category is called the shrubs, and third category is called the herbs. Fourth category is called the climbers. And fifth category is called the creepers. So, now I am going to discuss what are trees. We know trees, that are the very big plants are called trees. See these big plants are called the trees. And big plants have the very big stems also. These stems are also very strong and woody stems. The trees have the very strong and woody stems, and these trees live for many years, for many seasons it lives. Sometimes you don't believe, some plants are there who is live for centuries. That means for 100 years, like the banana trees. And what are the example of trees? Tell me. Neem, banyan, mango, apple. I mean, so many types of trees are, big trees are, plants are there. So, those big plants are known as the trees. Then coming to the second category, shrubs. What are shrubs? The shrubs are smaller than trees, and they have also woody stems, but they are not so strong like the trees, but they have also woody stems, and they are the bushy plants. There are so many leaves are there, so they looks like bushes. And what are the example of these shrubs? Tell me, can you say? So, these plants are just like this. So, we have so many branches are there. Just bush like trees are like this, and these leaves less than the trees. And these are examples of these bushes are, sorry, shrubs are rose plant, tulsi plant, hibiscus. So these are the different type plants which are called the shrubs. They are the smaller than trees. They live less years than the trees, and they have bushy stems. They are the bushy like trees, and they have the woody stems. Okay. Then come to the third category. These are called the herbs. What are herbs? These are the small plants. The smaller plants are called the herbs. Like your grass. You know the grass. That is very small plants. Your mint plant. All the vegetable plants, mostly all the vegetable plants are the shrubs. Sorry, herbs. Vegetable plants are the shrubs. So these are example of these are called the mint, coriander, lady's finger. These plants are the seasonal plants. They live for a season, for some months only. So these are also called the seasonal plants. And these plants have also green stems, soft green stems. These plants are soft green stems. These are the herbs. Then come the climbers. You know children, there are some plants are there, they cannot stand up itself. They need the help of other plants or other sticks so that they will go upside. So these are the like you have told it grapes. So example of this is the grapevine climber. Grapevine is the example of the climbers. Another is the money plant. You have seen money plants. Prapti, in your house you have decorated the money plants. So these plants are also called the climbers. They need support to grow up. They have weak stem. They have very weak stem. So they need support to grow up. Then peas plant. So these are the different plants which need support to grow up. Then last category is called the creepers. So creepers, you do know creep. What do you mean by creep? Creep means crawl along. The little children are crawling like this creep. These plants are just creeping along the ground. They cannot go up because they have the big fruits are there. If they go up, then it will fall down. So that's why these are the creepers. What are the plants called as creepers? The plants like pumpkin, watermelon, bottle gourd, so these are the different types of plant which creep along the ground. They cannot grow up because it is defined that they have the big the fruit size is very big. That's why that they creep along on the ground. So these are the different types of plants. So another thing you see children, what are the parts of the plant? These are types of plants that completed. Then you come to the parts of the plant. I am not good at drawing, so you see that this is I have drawn on plant, and these are flowers. The plants have fruits. So see what are the different parts of the plant. So here these are the root of the plant. These are the root of the plant. And what is the work of this root? The work of the root is to carry the water and nutrients from the soil to the body of the plant, and this is called the stem. The strong part of the plant is called the stem. The work of the stem is to carry the nutrients and water from root to different parts of the body. Here the root work is to collect the water and nutrients from the soil, and here the stem work is to collect the nutrients and water from the root and to send it to different parts of the body of the plant. And these are the leaves. This is called the leaf, and plural of the leaf is leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. So here leaf, what is the work of the leaf? The work of the leaf is to collect the water, the nutrients, the sunlight, the air, and mix it to make food for the plant. That's why leaves are called the kitchen of the plant. And the process by which it makes its food, that process is called the photosynthesis. The process is called the photosynthesis. Okay. So by the process of photosynthesis, the leaves make food for the plant. And what is the, then it got, here is the fruit. Sorry, the first it is the flower. So when the tree, the plant grow up and it will get food from the plants, from the soil, and it make flower. And flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. Flower is the most colorful and beautiful part of the plant, and it bears fruits. Flowers bear fruits, and these are the fruits. And fruits have seeds. Fruits have seeds, and when the seeds come to the ground, and it will the natural environment, the water, the warmth, the sunlight, then it will so once again make new baby plants. It will go into baby plants. So these are the different parts of the plants, and what are the functions of the different parts of the plants. Do you understand, children? Is there any doubt? So children, next you have do this in your EVS copy, draw this plant, and you just label the different parts of the plant, and I am giving the homework. You write down homework. Write its their functions. Right. Is there any doubt, children? So I hope you all are understand the chapter. What are the plants and what are the different types of the plants and what are the different parts of the plant. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.